Here's a quick tutorial about how to manage your pledge in Kickstarter. Let's say you're scrolling through all your projects and you realize, oh my god, I did not get those awesome posters or that awesome reward that I wanted. You can go in to your pledge and change it before the project ends. So you're going to go up to your profile here, click on the drop down menu. You're going to go over to backer history and you're going to click on that. It's going to show you all the active and the past pledges, and you're going to pick out the pledge that you want to manage. So we're going to click on this one right here. It's going to pop up and you're going to see the edit button. You're going to click on edit and you can edit your pledge. Now here in this panel, there's lots of stuff you can do. You can manage your pledge in a ton of different ways. You can click no reward. The projects love that, but if you want to change your pledge, you're going to scroll down and click on the pledge that you want to move to. Okay? If you want the Patrick Mavros bangle or whatever it is that you want, you're going to click on that. You're going to scroll up and you're going to change the dollar amount. You can put in any amount that you want. You can put in 5 million, 5 billion, whatever. Just make sure that you get the pledge that you want. So I've put it in there and I've increased my pledge. And then you're going to click continue and then you're going to confirm. And once you click on confirm, it's going to take you to this last page where you are going to continue on to Amazon where your credit card information is stored. So it's super fast. It's super easy to manage your pledge in Kickstarter and get the rewards and the perks that you want. Thanks so much. Hope this was helpful.